Is your brand new Canon PIXMA MG2522 printer still sitting in the box and you're not sure where to start? Don't worry. Setting up your printer from scratch might seem intimidating, but I'm here to make it super simple. In this detailed video, I'll walk you through absolutely everything you need to get your Canon PIXMA MG2522 up and running. We'll start by physically setting up your printer, then install the ink cartridges, load paper, download and install the correct driver from Canon's website, connect the USB cable to your computer, and finally print your very first page. If you need extra help along the way, call the numbers on your screen. Otherwise, let's get started.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Start by unboxing the printer and carefully removing all the packaging tape and protective material from the machine. Take the power cable included in the box and connect it to the back of your printer, then unplug the other end into the electrical outlet. To turn your printer on, press the power button located at the top of the machine. Wait for it to fully power up. Now, open the printer's front lid by pulling it out gently. The lid should be open easily. Remove the package of the color ink cartridge and peel off the orange protective strip from it. Hold the cartridge and make sure the metal contacts are facing towards the printer. Insert it into the right side slot carefully until you hear it click into place. Repeat the same process to install the black ink cartridge into the left slot. Remove the protective strip and insert it with the contacts facing the printer. Once both ink cartridges are installed and locked in place, close the front lid. Now, it's time to load paper so your printer is ready to print. To load the paper, lift up the small document feeder lip on the top of your printer. Take a couple of sheets of compatible paper and place them into the document feeder. Make sure they are aligned properly. Now, go to your computer or laptop and open a web browser to visit the official Canon website. Click on the Support tab, type your printer model MG2522 in the search bar and select it from the results that appear. On the next page, open the Software and Drivers drop-down menu. Select the details of your operating system to get your driver results for your specific computer. When a list of various drivers appears on the screen, choose the correct driver for your Canon PIXMA MG2522 and click Download. Open the downloaded file and follow all the on-screen instructions carefully. Continue until you reach the step asking you to attach the USB cable. Once you reach that step, take the USB cable, connect one end to your Canon printer and the other end to your computer or laptop. Once the installation is complete, open Settings on your computer and select Devices. Next, select Printers and Scanners from the left panel and then choose Add Printer plus Scanners option. Your computer will now scan your Canon PIXMA MG2522 printer and display it on the screen when found. Finally, select your Canon PIXMA MG2522 printer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Your printer is now successfully set up and ready to print. Follow the next steps to begin printing. For more useful printer guides and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Open any document or image on your computer This could be a Word document, PDF file, or photograph. Once you have the document open, click on the printer icon at the top right or simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P to open the print dialog. On the print dialog, open the printer drop-down and select Canon PIXMA MG2522 printer. Choose your print settings such as number of copies you want to print, layout, and color. Once that's done, click on More Settings option to adjust other settings like paper size, scale, and pages per sheet. Once you've configured all the settings, click on the Print button to send your document to the printer. Your Canon PIXMA MG2522 will now start printing your document. You should hear the printer working and see your printed pages coming out.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.